Shooting with a tripod has always been painfully boring.
Hey, not really. If you get a bit creative and you're using the right tripod, it can be actually very fun and productive.
Because honestly, creativity isn't about how much gear you own, it's about what you can do with what you have. So I wanted to see how far a single tripod could go. Here are a few of my favorite creative tricks to level up your shots using just a tripod. Let me show you. This is the Manfrotto one. They asked me to take it out and push it to the limit. And I realized pretty fast, it doesn't feel like a regular tripod. It's fast, flexible, and has a bunch of clever tricks built in that makes the creative moves way easier.
Sometimes you don't have time for perfect setups.
That's when you flip into monopod mode, a rig that moves as fast as you do. It's still solid, still stable, but way more flexible when things get busy. One flick of the X-Ted mechanism and you're back shooting before the moment's gone. It keeps the peace and lets you stay in the flow.
And then there's a snorricam effect.
Normally you need all kind of rigs to pull this off, but here you just strap the tripod on and suddenly the camera moves with you. It's raw, immersive, and it grabs attention every single time. A little crazy, maybe, but that's the fun of it. You don't need a crane for a cinematic move, just a clever setup. Here, we're using a tripod like a mini jib, sliding it forward to create that smooth parallax reveal. No extra gear, just a bit of creativity. It's stable, simple, and gives you that big budget feel with almost no setup.
Normally getting a clean top-down shot means extra rigs and arcs.
But here you lift and unlock the column center and it smoothly swings into horizontal mode.
And suddenly you get a perfect overhead angle.
Captured right where you are. No studio, no setup. And that's just one way of use it. Detach the column center and go straight to the ground level. No extra setup. Perfect for creative angles, product shots, or smooth motion close to the floor. Then with one press the camera flips vertical, ideal for still portraits or just quick social content. You go from landscape to portrait mode instantly without changing your setup. And if you feel like experimenting, try a quick orbit move. Short, simple, and it looks incredible. That's the Q90 system, flexible, fast, and surprisingly cinematic.
So no sliding? No problem.
All you need is a smooth floor and a bit of imagination. Give it a gentle push, smooth control, and somehow it just works. Proof that creativity matters more than the gear.
And of course we can't forget the classic static cinematic shot.
Sometimes the best shot is the one that doesn't move, just a solid frame where everything around it comes to life. Whether it's a time-lapse, a landscape, or just a quiet moment in between, nothing beats the tripod stability. And here's what I like. The modular feet adapts to any surface you're on. Grass, gravel, concrete, it locks in and stays there. It's the foundation that lets everything else shine. The light, the movement, the story. So yeah, tripod doesn't have to be boring. With a bit of creativity and the right tool, they can do so much more than just hold the camera still. Manfrotto One isn't just about stability, it's about freedom, speed to adapt, the control to experiment, and the confidence to create whatever you are. Because in the end, it's not just the tripod that makes it cinematic, it's how you use it.